Hi everyone, Tridib from TGT and welcome to another watchOS update video. Today Apple released watchOS 8.1 for all the supported Apple Watches. You guys might already know that Apple has also released iOS, iPadOS 15.1 and macOS Monterey 12. I have a detailed video about iOS, iPadOS 15.1 in this channel. Do check that out after this one. watchOS 8.1 is available for all the watchOS 8 supported Apple Watches. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 to all the way up to Apple Watch Series 7, this update is available for you now. It is recommended to be on iOS 15.1 along with this update. To find the update, make sure your Apple Watch is connected to your iPhone, then open the Watch app, go to General, then Software Update, and your update should be available here. This update came in around 351 MB in this Apple Watch Series 5. I was on watchOS 8.0.1 previously. Now let's go back to my Apple Watch and check the new build number. Go to Settings, then go to General, then About, and here you can see the version is 8.1 and the build number is 19R570. Now let's talk about what's new in this update. First is the fall detection. If you go to Settings, then SOS, and then enable the fall detection option here, you can now see there is an option to only turn it on during workout. So Apple Watch can now detect a hard fall during your workout session and call for emergency if you want. If you choose this option, it will be enabled during workout only, not always. This is available for Apple Watch Series 4 and later. In the Apple Wallet app, COVID-19 vaccination card support will soon allow you to add and present vaccination information from Apple Wallet directly. So you will be able to create a health card for the supported countries. Also in the Wallet app, in some parts of US, you will be allowed to add a QR code which will contain information about your driving license and more. Next, in the Apple Fitness app, you can now use the SharePlay option, which is now enabled with iOS 15.1. You need to do that from the Fitness app on your iPhone. So if you are a Fitness Plus user, with watchOS 8.1, you can now easily share workout sessions with family and friends. You can invite up to 32 people to work out together through a FaceTime call using iPhone, iPad, or Apple TV. Apple Fitness Plus is not available in India right now. The next update is related to always on display. For some users using Apple Watch Series 5 or newer, the display time may not be accurate while the wrist is down. The display time would lag and it would be updated only when you raise your wrist. Apple is fixing that on watchOS 8.1. Apart from these new features, there must be some bug fixes and security updates as well. During the beta testing process of watchOS 8.1, many were facing issues with workout steps not registering properly and more. Those must be fixed now because in the release note, Apple only mentioned about some issues with core data and nothing else. Performance-wise, this is running absolutely fine in this Apple Watch Series 5. With watchOS 8.0.1, I was facing the issue of inaccurate time display while the wrist was down. This is now solved after this update. And after all these years, it is still running nice and smooth with watchOS 8.1. The app performance is also fine. Let's go and check the battery health. Let's go to Settings, then Battery, and check the battery health, and it's 85%. But with this battery health and always on display, I usually end my day with around 35 to 38% battery life left. And as mentioned in the previous videos as well, I really can't see any effect of this 15% battery health depletion anyway. It's as good as forever. So if you have an Apple Watch Series 3 or newer, you should definitely update to watchOS 8.1. Lots of new features, SharePlay, bug fixes, and security updates for your watch. Do let me know your views about this update, or if you have found anything else. Do like, share, and please don't forget to subscribe to TGT. I'll see you in my next one. Peace.